Hello guys and welcome back to The Mood. Today we are 26th of March 2021 and everywhere you look on YouTube, all the YouTubers are like urgent, chart, attention, super rare signal, Bitcoin super battle, Bitcoin panic, it's gonna drop, it's gonna dump something that could shake Bitcoin, Bitcoin will drop under 50k, oh my god, doom and gloom everywhere. So if you want to have a different take on everything and get something like a little bit more less please consider subscribing to this channel and wait for the daily analysis that will come every day, very on time, same day on Eastern time. So please consider subscribing, and without further ado, let's get into the analysis. So here we are guys, this is our Bitcoin chart, our 4-hour chart, and today mood is totally septic, absolutely septic, because well, who wouldn't have any skepticism looking at this chart? Yes, I told you guys yesterday, and that was my prediction right here, that price would rise up. I didn't touch that drawing, that's the drawing I made yesterday. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, you can watch it back in my previous video if you wait just after this video, but please consider subscribing so you'll get the news every day, and even tomorrow about, like, if I'm gonna probably do a drawing right now, and you'll be able to see on this weekend what's the price action is gonna be, and if it's gonna be doom and gloom like everybody's starting to predict right now. So we had a very nice bounce yesterday as I predicted. Now we are still quite low on the RSI. That's actually a good sign. We still have a lot of fear here, printed MACD crossing, so overall it's not so bad. We know that here, right here, yeah, that's the doom and gloom everybody is like telling you about, and it's a big drop. Yeah, it's a big drop, and before it was yeah, some people tell you actually 49, no, it's much worse. If we drop here guys, we are talking about $39,000 drop. Ugly, but regarding all the fundamentals, regarding what we have here, regarding chart analysis, honestly I don't think that will happen. Honestly, chances are very weak that something like that will happen. So what do we see here, purely based on chart analysis, is that we still have an upward movement, and we are totally not done with the bull trend. So what I see here with this low RSI, with this MACD crossing, with this fear printing here since a few days, we are probably going up on this trend, and here I don't see any correction right now. So for the morning we might range here, but we are gonna go back testing that resistance line. I'm not calling it a triangle. I don't believe in chart patterns. It's not a triangle, it's just a resistance line guys, and we are gonna try to test it, and if it breaks, you can totally think we're gonna have some upward movement, because this little RSI growth here give us enough room for clearly touching back here, clearly. So that's what's obvious for now regarding Bitcoin. Now we can see on the 30-minute chart that we have a little bit of weakness right now, so we might retrace and touch back here and then go back there. Okay, I'm not touching these drawings. You will be able to check it out tomorrow. You will be able to see it tomorrow again. Maybe we should have a look on the daily charts that I never look at, and see what's going on, what's brewing on the daily chart, which is, see guys, that's our main trend here. We don't want to go back there, it would be ugly, but Bitcoin likes to do stuff like that, so that's why everybody's scared, because we know Bitcoin likes to bitch with new traders and everybody in general. So what do we have here? On the daily chart, it doesn't look that bad at all. It doesn't look that bad at all. We had this previous resistance line here on the RSI that is actually protecting us from falling down that resistance, and we bounced over on it. So until we break that resistance line on the RSI, we are fine. MACD is bearish, but not for long, you know. Look at this one, and yeah, we are getting enough fear. Now clearly guys, for me, we are good on that support. We are good on that support. So now let's have a look at Ethereum for 4-hour chart, and like I told you yesterday, altcoins are bouncing back quite better than Bitcoin, because we got some more obvious bullish divergence on Ethereum that this one didn't print. Last time we printed a bullish divergence, it was right here, and we made all that right after. So we just print another one, and we got even more fear. It's a bit less higher than this peak, but clearly on the long term we should go back to that resistance line. We are gonna break this one, and on the long term I see us going back to the 1800 line, right? That's gonna be it for Ethereum. On the 30-minute chart, let's have a quick look for if you want to check your intraday moves. Same, we are getting a bit exhausted here, gonna bounce back there, so it's gonna be like that. It's not crazy day, but at last we are not dropping and our dreams are not crushed for today. Let's have a quick look at other altcoins. Let's go back to the 4-hour charts, and Cardano is actually doing quite good. I think it's gonna bounce back here again, so we are ranging on most of the coin. Oh, I didn't check S&P. S&P dropped a little bit compared to my prediction, but it's catching up, so we are still in my prediction, guys. It's still fine, and I see upside here, so I'm not gonna touch it. We'll see on Monday. AVAX that we are following since a few days, catching up, gonna probably bounce here, and then depending on what's happening on the other coins, we might get back to this resistance line. So let me draw it, and we are still good for that. I'm just gonna turn this one into dark blue. There we go. Litecoin catching up slower, but it's catching up too, so more upside here too. And guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you got a special coin you want me to comment, please write in the comments down below. Please don't forget to smash the like button, super important. It's gonna help this channel grow. We are nearly at 500 subscribers, and that's a great deal for me. That's a great deal. We need 1,000. We need 1,000, and I'm gonna start explaining my method here and how we can predict the market in the most accurate way, when whales are not playing us and when euphoria is not catching up too much. That's the steady way to predict the market. So please smash the like button and consider subscribing right now to the channel. I don't think there will be another video tomorrow. I'm gonna have a break on this weekend again, so I will see you on Monday, or maybe later for a specific altcoin video, dedicated altcoin video. So until then, please have a very excellent weekend, and see you very soon. Bye bye.